Chris here with Diode Dynamics. Today we're going to show you the installation of our XPR bulbs in the cargo and third brake light applications on your 2008 to 2013 Ford F-150. This installation is really simple, only takes a few minutes and requires basic hand tools. Let's get started. To start our installation, we're going to get in the bed of the truck and get a Phillips head screwdriver and go ahead and take out these two bolts holding in the cargo lamp housing. With the two bolts removed, you can go ahead and grab the housing and you can just simply wiggle it back and forth, pry it out. With the cargo lamp removed from the actual vehicle, you can go ahead and twist counterclockwise on each socket to pull the connector out. With the cargo lamp removed, you can go ahead and just set it aside in a safe spot and then go ahead and replace the bulbs. To remove the bulb, just go ahead and grab it firmly and then pull it away from the socket. Next, we're going to go ahead and install the bulbs, and then we're going to leave them out of the housing. Go ahead and turn on the actual lights to make sure that they're working, and if not, no worries, just go ahead and flip it 180 degrees and then put it back into the housing. Make sure to note that you're putting the red bulb in the middle and then the white ones on the outside. Now that we've checked for polarity and make sure that the lights actually function, we can go ahead and install them back into the housing the same way that we took them apart, except this time we're going to twist clockwise. With the bulbs in the cargo lamp assembly, we can go ahead and place it back into the actual vehicle and then put the two bolts that we took out previously back in to finish the installation. With the XPR bulbs installed, not only do you have a lot more light output in the cargo area of your truck in order to see better, but you're also much more visible to other drivers on the road with the third brake light. As you can see, it's a super easy plug-and-play installation, and the bulb is also error-free, which means you won't have any bulb out warnings, as well as transient protection to help with voltage spikes from the vehicle. If you're interested in getting yourself a pair of our XPR bulbs or any of our other products, click the link below in order to go to our website or use the dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.